What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Just a motivated guy here, and I want to personally welcome you, yes you, to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. So without further ado, let's get on to the show.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
So guys, we are downtown Lafayette at this hot dog joint. I don't even know the name of it.
Dat Dog.
Oh, it's called Dat Dog, downtown Lafayette. Hey baby. It's called Dat Dog, downtown Lafayette. My son is playing a game. Actually, he's trying to watch the show now. And here's our waitress. Dun 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 dun. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
She is adorable, and she is also, they're beautiful.
Thank you.
Anything else, like extra pickle or sauce inside?
No, do you have like a little knife?
So she got the regular dog because I know she doesn't like to experience a lot of stuff. But me on the other end, check that out.
First, just stop.
So I think that's oh yeah, that's duck. It's a duck sausage with a blackberry compote, mustard, and I think there's bacon on there.
It's a tickle.
And we have a tray of seafood fries. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and go in on this hot dog. It's about to be amazing. Like for real.
Hey guys, look at this.
Rock out. Rock out. That's my daughter rocking out. Rock out then. Rock out. So downtown Lafayette, guys, Dat Dog. I'm about to go in on Dat Dog. That way. Hey, hey. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. So I only ordered 2 dogs because I know they don't really like hot dogs like that. And the nice lady just came out and was like, hey, I made an extra one. Do you guys want this? I was like, yeah, free food is the best food. So we about to go in on this. What's up, buddy?
Daddy.
What's up, buddy? I see. Well, guys, that just happened. So, I came, I saw, and I conquered. Duck sausage, blackberry compote did not stand a chance against me. What's the name? Oh, Dat Dog, downtown Lafayette. So if you're ever in Lafayette, go downtown to Dat Dog. Get the duck sausage special, is what it's called. And you will not be disappointed. Like for real. Like I want to get another one to go. But I ain't gonna do it though. Or should I? To be continued. Oh, we got they DJing. They DJing. Hey,
Switch, London.
switch. Oh,
Let's get this party started.
get it started then. Get the party started. So out here they have an some kind of art walk. I guess you're gonna be able to go to each station and do like some type of art. The rain is starting to come down now, as you can tell. So I've rated. We came downtown to catch Moltres, which is Pokemon Go. I was trying to get the shiny Pokemon, and my wife decided to come at the last minute. And guess who got the shiny Moltres? Not this guy.
You should.
And she's looking at me right now.
She's looking at you like
What she
crazy.
doesn't know is when she goes to sleep tonight, I'm gonna take her camera, her phone, and I'm gonna do a special trade and trade the shiny Moltres to me.
OMG.
Shh, don't tell her. Oh, there's the rain. There's the rain. I'm actually kind of glad she came though, because if she wouldn't have came, I would have rode my motorcycle
And guess what?
Cutting away. You know, I know that. You know that looking nice. We know that looking nice.
But yeah, guys, this is a nice restaurant, guys. So like I said again, downtown Lafayette, Dat Dog.
It's nice, man. Like it has a bar, it has TVs everywhere for you to enjoy your sports. They have a whole retro theme going. Then they have a pig over there holding a big wiener.
Hot dog.
I don't know how to process that. Anywho, got London right here,
This
drinking
is
some
the
water.
channel, Rock and roll.
She's rocking out over there. Now she's the DJ.
I'm a DJ. Let's get this party started, baby.
DJ Lolo. Yeah, and
We're supposed to
there's
get
room for all walks of life here. We have goth. We have art. What are you doing? Silly girl.
I was doing
Got Christian right
this.
here.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Can I see where you take anything away from you now? I'll take it. Well, I guess. Thank you so much.
Christian.
Guys, I was doing this, guys.
Christian. Say hey. Christian. Want a fight? Want a big fist? Want a big fist?
Guys,
Come here. You want a big fist? You want a big fist, boy? You want a big fist?
no. Just follow the music.
Well, guys, I'm still debating on whether I want to go get another duck sausage with the blackberry compote or not.
There's a lady behind
So
us.
I think I need to go ahead and get out of here. But I'm about to run to the truck because it's raining.
But you have to run, baby. Let's run.
And all the umbrellas are in my car.
I have one in my car. Or a truck. I don't ride in no car, I ride in the truck. I'm a big Chevy rider, man. I don't like riding in the car. Now I'm 6'7".
You take a real video now.
So guys, I made it back. I'm about to do a little gameplay, do a few voiceovers, and I'll check back with you guys later. You know, that was an amazing trip downtown. What is it? I forgot the name of it that quick. Eat Dog, I think? I don't know. But downtown Lafayette, check it out. Amazing. Duck sausage special. It comes with the duck sausage and the blackberry compote. And I think the Creole mustard. Amazing. Guys, go and check it out. And about to get this gameplay in, and I will check in with you guys later. Peace.